Welcome in Wellis' Dabas plant. My name is Peter Budai and I am honored to lead the activities of our production site here. Wellis started as a family business with 5 people on board in 2004, engaging in commercial activities. By 2009, when the production started, there were already 100 men and women working here. 5 years later, we shipped already to 26 countries. Our revolution is ongoing ever since. We stepped in the US in 2019, which has become our greatest market in the meantime. Last year, we built and launched a very modern factory at Ózd. And with the extended capacities, we are now able to meet the demands of all the 45 countries we ship to at this moment. We contribute to that by manufacturing SwimSpas, but the development of the new products also happen here. To fulfill the needs of making, we operate 10 extruders, carpenter, sewing and welding workshops, and areas where we prepare assemblies. As Dabas gives home to one of our most beautiful showrooms and areas, we enjoy to work in an absolutely stunning and inspiring environment. Besides quality, we focus on sustainability, green technologies and energy efficiency when developing our products and manufacturing technologies. With this, we aim to introduce the best-in-class hot tubs and SwimSpas in the premium category. At Wellis, we are very proud to become the biggest manufacturer in Europe and to earn the 3rd place overall worldwide.